Hello all, welcome to this lecture where we are going to talk about a very important concept in generative AI, which is tokens, and a very important and excellent tool provided by OpenAI, which is Tokenizer. Okay, so let's talk about this. Firstly, what is token? So large language models, not just OpenAI model, any large language model processes text using tokens, which means the sequences of characters found in a set of text. So those are broken into text, and as a thumb rule, it is generally corresponds to 4 characters of text for common English text. Okay, so that's a general thumb rule, and which roughly translates to 3/4 of a word. So 100 tokens will typically be around 75 words, but these vary from model to model. We'll see that example as well. Okay, and programmatically also you can check how many tokens are consumed in case of your input and in case of your output using this package called tick token. So we'll see this example in future lectures. And why this is important? Because you will be charged or billed based on number of tokens consumed in input as well as output. So whenever you are developing a product or an application, you need to consider this because you will be charged based on number of tokens. Okay. Now let's see some example, and OpenAI gives this example. So I have clicked on show example. Now this is the text and these are the tokens. So characters, total characters is 252 and token count is 53, and this is for GPT-4o and GPT-4o mini. Okay, and they have very beautifully highlighted these tokens under different colors. So many is 1 token, words is 1 token, map is 1 token. So in the first half of the sentence, each word is 1 token. However, it changes. For example, if we see here the number, this space is 1 token. Okay, and first 3 numbers is 1 token and last number is 1 token. Okay, and as I said, it varies from model to model. Now if I select GPT 3.5 and 4, the number of tokens increase slightly. Earlier it was 53, now it is 57. Okay, so that's how it is. And in case of legacy model GPT-3, the number of tokens were even higher. Okay, so if you see, Unicode was 3 different token over here, and let's see over here in case of GPT-4, Unicode is 1 single token. So it varies from model to model, but I don't see a huge gap. 53 tokens and here it was 64. Okay, so that's what it is. You can also check token IDs. What are the token IDs, how it is represented in the form of numbers, and this is the text we saw. Okay, so I hope with this example you are able to understand what is token, and in future if you want to check how many tokens are consumed and with your input text, you can come to this tool. For example, I can copy paste this one. I've copied this one. I'll clear this text and I'll paste this, and you can see here 435 characters and it is 86 tokens for GPT-4o and 4o mini, and for 3.5 and 4 no change, same 86. Okay, and for legacy it has changed by only 2 tokens. From 86 it was 80. Okay, so that's pretty much in this lecture. I hope you like it. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.